All right, what's up, guys?
Yeah, what's up, man?
Watch out. Where am I gonna sit? I'll find someplace.
Are those your favorite swim baits?
No, but they're cheap. Kitex are nice. They're really soft, have good scent.
Here, we can leave this one somewhere here.
Where's everybody? Oh, dude. They're still here. What? What's our depth? 8? Okay. Jason's line. It's getting a little bird's nest. That's okay. Oh, right at the boat, guys.
No way.
Are any of them heavies by any chance?
Medium heavy.
Medium heavy, 7 foot? Okay.
I don't know what mine is.
We'll move. Yeah. Watch your... Yeah, I'm gonna bring it up. Jason. You're right. Awesome. Okay. Yep. Dude. Our trolling motor. This is... Got him. Yeah. Let it sink. Nice, Jimmy.
Oh, no way.
Nice. Nice. Got him. Guys, here. This one's good. This one's actually really good. Keep it tight, real.
Oh, yo, he's huge.
Oh, no, he's not big.
Yeah, but the pole was crazy. Isaac, you got 2.
I got 2. We have 5 fish in the boat, guys.
No
we
way.
have 5 fish in the boat.
Bro. Dude,
This is the craziest day ever.
Woo! Oh, we're just getting started, guys.
let's do it. Dude, this is so awesome.
All right. 5 fish in the boat. No, they're not keepers. I just want to. All right. Move back a bit.
Oh, snap.
1, 2. All right. Got it. Throw them back. Get your lines back in the water.
Boom, right there. Right there in the...
It's okay.
Oh my gosh, I just feel like a...
Got him. Oh. No, it's okay. It's okay.
You can see it. Oh, you can see it.
Oh,
They're bigger out here. Just a bit. What? Golly. I know. We're gonna run into this.
I maybe 7 fish on the boat.
7 fish?
Yeah.
Can we catch 7 fish? There he is. Good one. Big head shakes. That's a good one.
Bro.
Straight ahead. Well, except Jason, yours goes straight down. Look how fat they are. Yep. Do we have pliers?
We do have pliers.
Oh, actually, I'm good. I just got them.
You good?
Yep.
I have pliers.
I'm good. I got them out.
Bass look like.
Look how far back he is. Keep your rod tight. Keep your rod bent. Rod up.
I need a.
All right, stop. You're getting close. There he is.
Oh!
That's a nice one.
Second fish.
Ah.
Oh.
Oh,
He got
watch out.
He
Okay.
got it up.
Nice.
We're letting it one. Somebody.
You gotta get deep fast. That's the motto of the game here.
These stripers are awesome.
Yeah, they fight hard, huh? Okay. Yeah, we're gonna make a move. Reel up, guys.
Alright. Hey, have you ever thought of making a homemade lure?
Yep. Yes, I have.
I want to start making like this.
Here we go, Jimmy.
I was going
Right here's good.
How deep is it?
39.
That's good.
Wait.
30.
Yep. Awesome. Same thing, guys. Just drop it straight down on the left side.
Oh, I did. You like that fish.
Drop it and count to 30. And then stop it and then hop it. Hey? Dude, straight ahead. Because the wind's gonna push us there, so then you're gonna be under the boat.
Now the sonar simulation is on.
Now it's on. We're in 70 feet of water.
Oh, no,
Holy.
no. It reads, I don't know if it reads the fish out there. It's just weird. Whenever I put the sonar on, it doesn't read the depth.
Huh.
But whenever I take the sonar simulation off, then it will read the depth.
So was it on a simulation earlier?
Right now it's a simulation. I mean, just sonar sim.
Got him.
No way. Come on, man. He's already got 7, I got 2. Oh, you want me to put it on depth?
No, it shows depth.
We're at 32.
I know how deep it is. Huh.
We're on 30 feet.
Nice. We are?
Yeah.
There's a little dip here. There's an island here.
There is?
Yeah. Well, some submerged island. Huh. Yeah. The wind's pushing us forward. There he is. No. Jimmy, you got, oh, guys, that's a better fish.
Uh-oh. Oh, Isaac, we got a bit of a problem.
Look at that. Heads up.
Oh, Isaac, always.
Get pliers. When you catch a fish at the really end of your cast, you have to reel them all the way. Pretty little striper.
Wait, it's sharp, bro. Oh, it hurt. Hey, I thought you said the things with yellowtails are good here too.
Things with yellowtails?
Yeah. Weren't you telling me last time?
Yellowtails.
Like yellow. Anything with the
Oh, no.
Oh, Galvin, definitely. Back in Galvin.
Mouse when we were using club. Ollie. Look how small he is.
Oh, can I hold him?
Yeah, of course.
Dude, I literally got nothing. Oh, dude, that's the smallest fish.
This is the smallest fish of the day.
Yep.
This is why they were missing it. There you go.
Oh,
Dude, that's so small.
can I let it go?
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Galveston video. Yeah, those weren't mine. They were friends. Got him.
No. He's small.
Yeah, they're smaller here. They were much bigger in that deep water.
Are they always in school?
Typically, yeah.
You got one of them.
Are there any low?
Oh, you.
How much is
It's
it?
better to get a combo, right?
If you're looking for quality, they're not gonna sell quality rods and combos.
Remember that white one that you got?
Can I catch it?
Yeah. Here, real quick.
Oh wow.
Oh, don't reel all the way to the top. Well, a little bit of line out. Okay, good.
Oh.
Got him. Yeah, they're still here. It's a better. Nah, just kidding.
You didn't get it? Oh.
No, he ate it. Choked it.
Hey, does anybody know where the scissors are at?
Poor guy. Hooked him in the eye. Right next to you. Oh no, the other side, the rail. You got it. Okay, you're good. I'm going to face that way. Good one.
That's the new huge. That's the big one. What, is that like the biggest now?
No, he's not the biggest one of the day.
Oh, come on.
Yeah,
Your other one was bigger than this.
So the biggest one of the day was
Here you
that
go.
one?
I really want to.
Out.
Okay, look.
I was out there,
Take a
huh?
picture of it?
Your bait.
Yeah. Here, stand on this side. Got him.
No way.
Come on, get. All right.
Oh, no way.
Man, they're all eating this really well. Oh. Come up here.
I haven't lose my faith.
Alright, yeah.
Skinny. Here you go.
Uh-huh.
You do need to stand up to throw that though. Nice, right at the boat. Just flip it. Just flip them in. It's okay.
This is a.
And we all got a fish. Woo!
Moment of truth.
Anything for fish?
Yeah, I think you guys are going to be buying umbrella rigs now. He bit right here, huh? That's ridiculous.
Yo, you did not expect it, did you?
Got him.
No way.
Bro? Oh, you did?
This one.
Did you pack a pool?
That's the best leg ever.
Of course.
Hey, I think let's go to back to Cabela's after this.
There you go. We close at 9, so you guys actually could.
We're doing that.
Yeah.
I mean, this umbrella's so heavy already.
Yep. Yep. That's why I don't use it until I have to.
I really want to use it.
Oh, we're only in 5 feet of water. Sorry, guys. But
Hey, at least we're catching them.
wow, as soon as you get that done with, give me some.
What happened? Again?
That's why. That's why.
I thought the umbrella was really good, but
Not this is good. There's just a little school of fish there. Oh.
Tyler doesn't want to go with you, Daddy. I like
Got him.
No, he's huge! Oh, he's pulling like crazy. Oh,
Oh, you
got him from the side.
yeah.
he's barely hooked.
You gotta let a little more line out when you flip them.
Dude, he's solid. Lomo.
Jason, you could throw towards
yo. Oh, yo!
the right as I said.
Oh my
Rod up. Hold on, he's good. He's good. Hold on. Don't reel. Don't reel. You're good.
Oh, no!
Don't reel. Don't reel. No! We lost him.
We'll still count that. We'll still count that.
That was a keeper. Dude, he...
Bro!
Isaac said you were going to catch a big one.
Yeah, that was like 4 pounds.
Oh.
Yeah.
That was like 4 pounds.
Oh!
He,
He was right.
I know.
Is it hybrid?
Striper.
Striper. Which one's the hybrid?
Hybrid's gonna be a striper and whiteback mix, so it's gonna be a lot taller.
Okay.
Yeah. Nice! Yes! On the underspin?
Bro, we are so good right now.
Guys, we should have just stayed here. I'm sorry for bringing you guys there.
Bro, that other place over there with the birds were...
In the middle? Yeah, that's true. We should have just stayed here. Oh.